Hey, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. My name is Casa, and on this channel I have a mission, and that is to bring more creativity in your life. So I'm really happy that you're here, and I really hope that today I can bring a little bit of spark, joy, inspiration, whatever you need today. And today I have this sketchbook to show you. I filled this during the workshop Capture the Lisbon Wow in April. I led that workshop together with my friend Cynthia Morris, and I will tell you all about this sketchbook and what we did. Let's dive in. This sketchbook was custom made by Casa. These are Lisbon-based bookbinders, and it was custom made for our Capture the Lisbon Wow workshop. So this sketchbook is an accordion sketchbook with fantastic watercolor paper by Fabriano. Of course, my details are in here. I have also a lexicon, which I filled throughout the week with the alphabet and all the words and the names and the things that I found, heard, learned, and saw during the week. This here is just making marks, just so that we are not precious about our Fabriano watercolor paper. Drawing people, and also sticking in lots of fun stuff that really is part of traveling. All these business cards, little bits and pieces of collage, playing around with my materials as well. Learning the days of the week, messing around with coffee, drawing my food and coffee in the morning, standing at the counter looking at all the pastries, playing with a limited palette. Also writing haiku, which is quite a challenge. Drawing people, more people, all kinds of bits and pieces that I picked up, which are all memories, small memories that become one big memory. Of course, there is more. Here on the other side, one of the assignments I gave to the students, telling your story using frames. More haiku, studying lettering, a little bit of collage, the view from my window in the apartment I was staying, with, of course, more haiku, because haiku and writing is part of the Lisbon Wow workshop. Here I captured a little stroll around the Miradoro de Graça. I hope I'm saying that right. And of course, if you're in Lisbon, in Portugal, you have to eat pastel de nata. And then, of course, you need to also draw them. More collage, playing around with color, drawing in the park, and lots of little bits and pieces and memories to fill this whole sketchbook with. I filled this during the week, and I have to say this is a precious sketchbook. I love what's in it. All those memories are just captured in line and color and words and everything. I'm happy to tell you that Cynthia and I are planning to do another retreat like this, and it will probably be in April in 2025. I am sharing the link in the description below this video in case you want to get on the interest list. I hope you enjoyed this tour. I really hope that if you have an accordion sketchbook on the shelf and you're like, I don't know what to do with it, I hope that this has actually given you a little nudge to just dive into it. Just have some fun with it. It's just a really special way to draw your days, and it's not as scary as it looks. So, and even if you don't have an accordion sketchbook, you can really see how much you can capture in just a short amount of time. Just draw every day. So here's your assignment for today. Sit down, grab a pen, draw. Maybe you want to add a little bit of writing. Why not? Have fun. I'll see you next week. Bye.